Let's talk about building custom detection rules in Defender's Advanced Hunting. If you work with Sentinel, you know that not all of the Defender tables are available there by default. That means for certain threats, you'll need to do either create a custom detection rules, which we'll do today, or ingest missing data via API calls. The great thing about Advanced Hunting is the community queries library. Before writing a query from scratch, check here. There's a good chance that someone already shared a similar KQL rule you can learn from or adapt. Now let's build a practical example. We'll keep this simple. All I want is to see tracking changes to custom detection rules themselves. Using Cloud Apps Events table, we'll monitor any creations, edits, and deletions. This way, if someone modifies a rule, we'll have a full visibility over it. Now, important thing to keep in mind, custom detection rules aren't like your standard analytic rules. They require two columns in your results, which is timestamp and report ID. If these are missing, say by using project away, the portal won't let you create the rule. You'll see the option gray out. Always verify these are included, especially in complex queries. Once your KQL is validated, click on Create Custom Detection Rule. Name it clearly, for example, Suspicious Activity, Custom Detection Rule Modification. Then in the General tab, set the run frequency. It can be scheduled or NRT. Now assign a severity level, then map it to MITRE attack tactics, for example defense evasion, and optional but useful, link it to the threat analytic reports to give it your SOC context and responses steps. Now under alert settings, customize the title and description. This is actually what your analyst will see in a Sentinel or XDR. Map any entities like accounts or devices. This is essential for automation to work. Add a custom details if you need to surface any additional data. Then in Automation tab, you can define actions like isolating a compromised device, disabling suspicious account, and keep in mind that all the available options depend on your query outputs. You can now review your settings, then click on the Create, and then when triggered, alerts will appear in Sentinel with all mapped details ready for triage. That's all it takes to build a custom detection rule in Defender Advanced Hunting. Hope that helps.